I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into your Soundexchange account and verifying identity quickly. This reduces delays. Next, upload scanned ownership documents and attach the SRC and GRID for each recording so metadata matches exactly. Once done, choose your claimant role, recording owner or featured artist, because payment splits and verification differ. Make sure to double-check spelling of legal names and contributor roles, since mismatches trigger manual review and slow payments. You now add each recording using the SRC to avoid duplicates. If a track is missing, create it with exact metadata. Then assign ownership or artist splits, enter numbers that sum to 100% so the system accepts them, and explain any non-standard arrangements in notes. Once you've entered splits, attach contracts or split sheets as PDFs to substantiate claims, because Soundexchange uses them for manual audits and verification, keeping files clear and labeled speeds approval. You finish by carefully reviewing the submission summary, correcting any metadata mismatches, and then submitting. After submission, monitor your dashboard daily for status changes and reply to document requests promptly, because timely responses keep the claim active. If your claim is rejected, inspect the rejection reason, often it is metadata or insufficient documentation, and resubmit corrected files. If confusion persists, contact Soundexchange support with the claim ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.